The Satisfaction with Life Scale, also known as SWLS, is a 5-item scale that was developed by Ed Diener, Robert A. Emmons, Randy J. Larson, and Sharon Griffin back in 1985. It's a straightforward and easy-to-use scale that seeks to ascertain if a person feels they are satisfied with their life or not. It doesn't try to zoom into specific aspects of their life, but if they are dissatisfied with their life as a whole. The scale could lead to opportunities where both the counselor and their client can identify what contributes to the client's dissatisfaction with life. It's best to start using this when you're trying to determine what is causing your client's mental health issues, or rather, what is contributing to it. Naturally, in order to do so, you're going to have to consider different angles, one of which is asking if they're satisfied or dissatisfied with their life. The following healthcare practitioners can use the Satisfaction with Life scale for their respective practices, such as clinical psychologists, psychiatrists, psychometricians, therapists, and counselors. The person who will be engaging with this the most will be the client, since they will be rating themselves according to the prompts. To use our SWLS, follow these steps. Download the SWLS template off our Carepatron platform, which you can find in the description. Fill out the patient's details in the assessment as shown on the screen. Next, respond to the following prompts rating themselves from 1 to 7. 1 being they strongly disagree, 2 being they disagree, 3 being they slightly disagree, 4 being they neither agree nor disagree, 5 being they slightly agree, 6 being they agree, and 7 being they strongly agree. Make sure to give your patient time and space to reflect so they can answer truthfully. Lastly, add the total score. If your patient has a total score ranging from 5 to 9, they are extremely dissatisfied with their life. If they score 10 to 14, they are dissatisfied. 15 to 19 is slightly dissatisfied, 20 is neutral, 21 to 25 is slightly satisfied, and 26 to 30 is satisfied. And 31 to 35 is extremely satisfied. Here is a sample of our clinical SWLS template, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our SWLS template, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patient. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.